Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you this look which is inspired by a look that I saw when I was scrolling through my explore page on Instagram. It is by Ellen Kern MUA, I believe her name is. I'll try and insert a picture here or leave her details somewhere so you can go and check her out. It's just this really cool kind of brown smoky eye with this blue graphic liner, and immediately as soon as I saw it I just thought Avatar. I was like, Avatar, I'm gonna be an airbender, that is going on my face. So if you are subscribed and watch my other channel, The Ravers Review, which I will leave links for if you are not, you'll notice that I did actually wear this look in our last video, so I'll try and leave a link for that up here and you can go check that out. I wore that on a night out and I just thought it was really fun, so I thought I would come on here and recreate it for you guys. Also, it's just one of those looks that is just really simple to do but looks really fun, because the basis of it is literally just a brown smoky eye, and then you literally just go to town with eyeliner and just create any sort of thing that you want. So it's really nice to have that kind of versatile look that you can sort of just take anywhere. This looks completely different from what I did the last time I wore it. It looks completely different from what the original MUA created, but it's one of those things where you can just have fun with it. So yeah, let's get started and become airbenders. So the basis of this look is going to be extremely simple. I already have my eyelid primed already with concealer and I've set it with powder. First product I'm going in with is this SuperShock shadow from ColourPop. It is called Mittens. It's just like a matte brown, not too warm tone, not too cool tone, like a nice mid-range, and I'm just taking that on my finger because that's how these ColourPop shadows work the best, and it's literally just gonna go everywhere. So this is generally how I like to sort of start all of the smoky eyes I do. I kind of like to put down some kind of a cream base or a pencil or something like that all over the lid, and then put eyeshadows on top of it. It just kind of makes it quicker and it's easier to sort of build up pigment intensity. Now if you find that you've taken a bit too much on your finger and it hasn't really blended out as much as you'd like it, you can literally just take any sort of brown eyeshadow that's quite close to your skin tone. I often just like to use my face powder if I've got it lying around just on a fluffy brush, and I just use that to very lightly brush over the edges to make sure everything's perfectly seamless. Next, I'm going to take this Bleach London Louder powder. I'm not actually sure what the shade is, but it's basically just a brown eyeshadow and it has all these kind of pinky purpley glittery reflex in it. I'm going to take this on a different finger and put that literally all over where I've just put the ColourPop eyeshadow. As I say, that's why I like to put the kind of cream base down, because you can just layer things on top and it just makes your whole life so much easier. Look how easily that just went on, and my smoky eyes pretty much 90% finished. So I already have black pencil all the way around my bottom and top waterline, and just on my sort of lower lash line I'm going to take a brown pencil. This is a NYX Suede, I'm pretty sure it's a lip liner pencil, but it's just a nice, again, sort of mid-tone brown. I'm just putting a little bit of that on my lower lash line, and then I'm just going to smoke it out with that same brown shade. I just put the pencil down purely because of the sort of glitters that's in the eyeshadow. The pencil sort of gives them something to stick to, so then you don't kind of get fallout all down your face. I'm going to use my same blending brush just to blend everything together and make sure everything is nice and seamless. And I think that's a pretty decent smoky eye in itself. I would actually just wear this, but I'm not the last airbender yet. So if you were sort of wanting to keep this look a little bit natural, a little bit more everyday wearable, of course you could highlight your inner corner with a nice sort of gold or a nice copper shade or something like that. But obviously I want to be extra and start the whole sort of blue thing that we're going to have going on with the liner. So I'm going to take the shade Mermaid from NYX. It's one of their prismatic shadows, and apply this, if I get my brush up the right way, apply this very liberally to my inner corner. Just light that bitch up. So that is the eyeshadow portion done. Now for the graphic liner part, I'm going to take this liquid liner from the brand Thrina. I never know how to pronounce it. I think it's Thrina. It's literally just called the eyeliner, and it's in the shade 509. It's just a metallic turquoise. The applicator that comes with it is a little bit too thick for what I really want for this look, so I'm going to use just this little fine art brush and literally just take it straight from the applicator and use that. I'm not going to be able to talk you guys through what I'm doing because this is one of those things where you can just have complete creative control. I'm just going to start drawing lines and see what happens. Both eyes are probably going to turn out different. They're probably not even going to be the same as the last time I did the look, so you can sort of watch what I'm doing as a guideline, but this definitely is something where you literally can just do whatever you feel like. You can take it as out there or keep it sort of as safe as you want to go. So like with my last video, I've put mascara on and kind of decided that I actually just like it this way without the lashes. I don't know if it's because I've been paying extra attention to my skincare lately, so maybe all the like eye creams and serums and stuff I've been using have barely been like nourishing my lashes and making them look nice, or it's because I deep down secretly just know that I cannot be bothered to go to the effort of putting lashes on right now. Whatever it is, I don't know. I just like how this is looking with just mascara, so here we are. So that is it for our finished look. Nothing too difficult, something quite nice and simple, but still a little bit different. I think it's nice to sometimes have those looks where it looks like you've put in a lot more effort than you actually have. I say this quite a lot. I feel like all of my looks basically become this. But also those looks where you can sort of just have creative control and it's not always like how perfectly sharp is your liner and how perfectly blended is your eyeshadow. You can just sort of have fun with it and see where it takes you. And because it is so sort of simple, you really can sort of switch up the colour combo, so you don't have to do the sort of same like brown and blue that I've done. You could do like a blue and purple or like a red and a pink or whatever you feel like, as long as you've got that sort of technique down and the idea of like, okay, I do the smoky eye first and then I just go to town with the liner. You can literally create anything with this look, and so it just makes it so versatile. So versatile. You got what I was trying to say. You got it, okay? So if you did enjoy this video, make sure you let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, leaving a comment down below, and making sure that you subscribe to my channel. As I said before, I'll try and leave a link up in the here or down in the description box for the other video on the other channel. If you want to go and check that out, that would be nice. Also, then you kind of get like a double dose of my face, and who doesn't want that? So yes, I will see you guys in the next one.